Lord, give me strength and give me stupidity to do this. Here we are the day after, and we are looking to do another test and see if this grounding system actually works. We're going to set up this test fence again like we did yesterday. I'm going to add four strands to it, go about 10 inches in between, see if that works, but then let's see what we got for the grounding system. Last night I ended up driving these ground stakes, these ground posts, all the way into the ground. 6-foot ground posts, got, I don't know, 5 inches sticking up out of the ground. Got the clamps, got this coated wire that ended up using as to connect them, and all the way over there. This is just a rough mock-up or a rough build. I plan on at least this one. This is the fence that they're gonna, or the gate they're gonna be getting out of, in and out to go out to the paddocks. So obviously you need to bury that line. I'm thinking about maybe burying these lines as well, or that line as well. Haven't decided yet. The voltage will fluctuate with this netting. On good days when it rains, it'll be about 8, maybe a 9,000 volts. But as it dries out, that number goes down. I do know that the less moisture in the ground, the less conducive, is that the word? Conductive? Whatever. Electric doesn't flow as well through the ground when it's dry. And so we've been pretty dry. Last night, after I connected all the ground rods and after I hooked everything up, put the meter to the fence, and I was getting about 10,000 volts. That's got to be a good thing, right? Start off in the morning at 8,000 volts with your grounding system, and then you end the night with 10,000 volts. Something worked, something happened. That's a win in terms of going in a positive direction. Does it work to deter goats? We don't know. We're going to find out this morning. My meter broke, but when I was testing it out, when I first hooked it up, I think we were sitting about 8,000 volts, a little bit over 8,000 volts. So it was 8,000 across all 4 strands. I guess I got to do what I got to do and just test it. I hate doing this. Oh, Lord, give me strength and give me stupidity to do this. So it hits. Not as hard as I thought it would. It's a lot better than that tickle that I had yesterday. As you saw, I sprinkled some of these treats along the bottom row, and they reached, one of them reached as far as he could and then left the others. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some more treats out and see if they're gone during the day, and I'll show you what we have. So you can see the treats right there on the ground. They have, let's see if I can zoom in. They've eaten pretty much all the treats on this side of the fence, but they left on the other side of the fence, and they've gone all the way down too. Same thing. I don't want to jump for joy right now, but it looks like it might be a success. Put these treats down right on the fence line again. Come back this afternoon or throughout the morning and afternoon, make sure that nothing's going on. They didn't get caught or anything. But we'll see if the treats on the other side of the fence, see if those get eaten. I think that you put that treat out there, entice them to go out there, and if they leave it during the day, then I think this fence might have done its job. I'm not too worried when they go to the paddock, because when they go to the paddock, they're gonna have all this stuff to eat. Fence line is right down there, obviously, and they're gonna have all of this to eat all the way to this fence line. So I don't necessarily know if there's going to be too much drawing them to the fence line to where they want to go to the other side. In my mind, I'm thinking they're going to be more interested in all this junk that's over here and eating this down before they even go over here, but I could be wrong. It's our first time with goats, and we're learning as we go, especially this rotational stuff. So we'll see how this fence does today. I'll give another update this afternoon or this evening when we come out and chore, and let everyone know what's going on with the treats. Fingers crossed. Moment of truth. It's the end of the day. Let's see where we're at with the treats. Let's see if they ate them. You got treats right there on that side. Come up from over so you see where they're at in relation to the fence. Treats right there. Treats right there. These guys go crazy for their treats. One thing I give them in the morning when I make my rounds, give them a couple handful of these treats, and they demolish them. So they like them, they smell. They were eating them this morning, and they left the ones on the other side of the fence. So I don't want to get too excited, but that maybe we're on the right track. I'll just say that. I'm going to tomorrow morning do the same thing, put some treats out where they can get it, and then beyond the fence where they can't get it, and see what they do. If that works, then I guess I need to go buy a new reel and some more wire, since we're going to go to 4 strands at least, maybe 5, but we'll at least go 4. I think one day closer to getting these goats out in this paddock. Thanks for watching. Stay rooted, everyone.